House Oaks bills requiring parents graduating high school and college students to plant trees. Manila, Philippines. The House of Representatives approved on final reading Wednesday two bills which seek to require parents as well as graduating senior high school and college students to plant trees. With 222 affirmative votes, no negative votes and no abstention, the lower chamber approved House Bill No. 6930 or the Family Tree Planting Act. Under the measure, all parents residing in the country, whether legally married or now, shall be required to plant 2 trees for every child born to them. These trees shall be planted within the premises of their own home or in an area to be designated by the barangay council where they reside. With the approval of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, the bill states, the planted species should be appropriate to the location, climate and topography of the area, with preference for the planting of indigenous species and fruit-bearing trees. It adds, to ensure compliance, the local civil registry where the birth of the child shall be registered is ordered to only release the certificate of live birth of the child upon the presentation of the parent's sworn statement of compliance to the measure. Planting of the trees must also be done within 30 days after the child's birth, the bill states. Lawmakers likewise approved House Bill No. 6931 or the Graduation Legacy for Reforestation Act, which requires graduating senior high school and college students to plant 2 trees each, as a civic duty for environment protection and preservation. The measure was approved with 224 affirmative votes, no negative votes, and no abstention. Under the measure, the planting of trees shall be added among the requirements for the student's graduation. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the concerned local government units shall determine the appropriate tree planting sites within the local government's respective areas, in coordination with schools, colleges, and universities, the bill states. Similar to the Family Tree Planting Act, the measure also requires the species of trees to be planted to be appropriate for the location and climate and topography of the area, with preference for the planting of indigenous species.